Continuing with the Edexcel non-calculator paper from 2024, Kasim has some small jars, some medium jars and some large jars. He has 400 jars, 3/8 of the 400 jars are empty. So that means that 1/8 of 400 is 50, and that 3/8 is 3 times 50, which is 150. So for the empty jars, the number of small jars to the number of medium jars is 3 to 4, small, medium. And then the medium jars to large jars is 1 to 2. And work out the percentage of Kasim's jars that are empty small jars. So let's just do, that's 5. 4 times 1 is 4. That means we need to also, I'm just going to put all of these together in the same way so that they're all part of the same ratio. So if the small to medium is 3 to 4 and the medium to large is 1 to 2, we can times that out by 4 and times this out by 4 and get 8. So of the 150 empty jars, 8 plus 4 plus 3 equals 15, and that means they all represent 150 over 15, which equals 10. So that means there's 30 small jars, there's 40 medium jars, and there's 80 large jars. And the percentage of Kasim's jars that are empty small jars, so he means altogether that would be 30. That would be 30 over 400. And in order to find out what the percentage is, we're going to divide everything by 4. So that would be, that's the bottom is 100. And 30 divided by 4 is 7.5. So 7.5% of his jars are, I'm just going to make it a German 7, are small empty jars. Right, Len has 8 parcels. The mean weight of the 8 parcels is 2.5 kilograms. The mean weight of 3 of the parcels is 2 kilograms. Work out the mean weight of the other 5 parcels. This is a classic Edexcel question. So the total of 8 of those where we have a mean weight of 2.5, 8 times 2.5, which is 4 times 5, which is 2 times 10, so that's 20 kilograms. And if 3 of them weigh 2, that means they weigh 6. So that means the others weigh 14 kilograms. And then the mean weight of that is 14 over 5, which is 7 over 10, which is 0.7 kilograms. Right. Let's have a little look at this. So in a sale, the normal price of a coat is reduced by R%. Given that the sale price equals 0.7 times the normal price, find the value of R. So it's reduced by 30%. I can't see how to say this in a normal way. So this is your, what's the word? Your multiplier. So sale price, so say you had, say the normal price was 100%, was 100, and then you've set, then you take away 30, that equals 70, and then you divide that by 100 to get your multiplier. So that means 0.7 times the normal price would give you 70, so R is 30% reduction. I don't know if I actually did that properly because it just seemed really obvious, and sometimes that's quite dangerous in maths. Solve the simultaneous equations. Okay. Right, we don't have any of the same things, but I'm going to make the y's the same because that's easier than making anything else. So I'm going to times that by 3, and I'm going to times that by 2. So if we times that, make sure you times everything though when you do it. So that would be 15x minus 6y equals 69. So that's 1, 2, 4x minus 6y equals 36. And they're both the same thing, the minus 6y, so that would be minus is plus, so if we minus this, it'll work. So there we go. 4x. Good Lord, I think you're a bit tired, McCall, can tell. Right, 15 minus 4 is 11x. We get rid of those, so we won't worry about them, equals 33. Now that's nice, because that's nice and easily divided. X equals 3. Then you have to decide what's easier, but it's probably quite easy to do this. 5 times 3 minus 2y equals 23. So that's 15 minus 2y equals 23. Let's take away 15 from both sides. So minus 2y equals 8. Y equals 8 over minus 2. So y equals minus 4. And that, I would test it, but I kind of check. Let's just write in 3 and minus 4. Right, let's have a little look at this. Ooh, this is a transformation. Triangle A is translated by a vector 6 minus 4 to give triangle B. So this means the x coordinate, that means the x direction, and that means the y. So x positive means go to the right, positive 6. So let's go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So that vertices goes to there, and then we're going down 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So this one goes to there. I'm just going to mark this one up. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4. There we go. That's that one. And let's do this one in red. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4. And now that is triangle B. Okay, we've done everything we were meant to do with that. Triangle B is rotated clockwise about the point 1, 2. This might not work because I'm not very good at doing it when I'm it's rotated clockwise around this point here. Clockwise means, oh good Lord, clockwise means this way to give C. Now I don't know if I can do this, so that's going across there, so I'm just going to go, am I going to be able to do this? So that's that position there, and then that would go this way. Is it going here? Or is it going further than there? It's a very good question. You are meant to have a piece of whatchamacallit paper. I think if I use a piece of paper, I could probably do this. The only thing is you won't be able to see what I'm doing. So I'm now going to take this and I'm going to draw that one. So I'm going to draw it on a piece of paper and see whether or not that I can do this. I don't have a normal pen with me though. Let's just have a go. So if I do this, and then if I position this there, let's do that. If I go that way. No, can't do this. I'm going to put this down to, find the answer. I suspect it's somewhere around. So that's 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. Oh, I think it might be here. That might change to there. I think that might go like that. Might go like that. Could be that. But that is not. And then you have to decide how A is going to get to C. And I think that could only be. I'm really not doing this to be annoying. I think that could only be using. So rotation 90% clockwise. Yeah, it's got to be a rotation. And it's got to be through 4. 1, that doesn't look right. Okay, we'll just survive.